Hey guys, it's me. So tomorrow is officially move-in day. We've been moving and stuff to the new place all week. I wanted to do a empty house tour, but I don't think I'm going to be able to do that unless I just still film like the rooms, even though they're filled with boxes. So I'll probably just end up having to do it that way. And so our house is still looking pretty full. We've done quite a bit of car loads over there, and as I said, we've done a bunch of car transports. It's actually been a week now that we've been, moving boxes over there, and yeah, we've actually gotten a lot done. So then tomorrow we're just doing the big stuff. We still have a lot of boxes, but yeah, tomorrow's the official like move-in day. We can go there early in the morning and begin. So yeah, we're excited and I can't wait to just be in there already. I just wanted to kind of update you guys on what's going on. Say hi, Mike.
What's up?
I want to show you guys the mess we got going on here though. Well, actually I've been trying to keep it kind of neat because I can't stand like messes like this. Is really bugging me, but I'm trying to keep it neat. Mike, unfortunately, likes to keep it messy. It's kind of looking a little empty now, and look at my little orchids. They're about to bloom again. It's move-in day today, you guys. Let's go look at the new house. Alright guys, we're here. So this is our dining room. And over here is the living room. It's got nice big windows. And you walk over here, and you got the large kitchen. We have appliances coming today actually, so pretty excited about that. Oh, look what they left us. Oh, thanks, Lisa and Wayne. So sweet. This is one of the bedrooms. I let Mike have this one. It's pretty big. Here's the side door entry. And then downstairs is the basement, not as scary as our last place. And then we have laundry upstairs, which is exciting. And then we just have a spare closet here in the hallway. This is the bathroom. Probably have to renovate this guy, but won't do that for a while. This is where I'm going to be filming. Super excited because I'm going to have a window. Perfect lighting. There's a closet, lots of storage. This is the master bedroom. Double closet. And yeah, that's it. We do have like a big shed. My parents are out there. Do have a big shed. And we do have a garage as well. So yeah, we're excited. We're on our way to our old house just to clean out the fridge, and then we have to go to the lawyers and hand over our keys. We got a lot done yesterday, hey babe? But still lots to do today, so we got up very early, and hopefully we can get more done today. You excited?
For what, babe?
For everything.
Yeah. You?
Alright, you guys. The house is pretty empty. Lots of good memories here, eh, babe? my beauty room. Good morning, day 3 today. So I actually moved out quite a bit of stuff here from my beauty room. I really want to get all the boxes out of here. I've done quite a bit. Yesterday and the day before yesterday, my mom and I worked on the kitchen. There's so much kitchen stuff, it's crazy. I can't believe how many pots and pans, like there's just so much stuff, it's crazy. So that was very overwhelming, and I actually thought I was done with the kitchen, but once I started moving boxes out of here, I just saw a box that says kitchen stuff. Okay, the cable guy just left as well, and so did the internet guy. And so we finally have cable and internet, and I'm happy about that. I didn't really miss the cable too much, although, wait, no, that's a lie. I missed watching Big Brother. Do you guys watch Big Brother? I freaking love Big Brother. I want to get all the boxes out of here, clear out this room, just so I can kind of see how I want to set things up. I did get another Alex drawer, and I got a bigger tabletop for filming. It's way bigger. I'm going to have more room in here, and so I just thought, like, why not go a little bit bigger. I am not looking forward to putting together the Alex drawers, and I only got the little one. I don't know if any of you guys have put IKEA furniture together. It takes so long, and the next day I'm just so sore. I don't know. All right, so now that I have more space in here, I'm going to build this Alex drawer. I already have one. You guys, this is a pain to put together. The last time I did this, I think it took me like 2 hours or something. So, maybe I should have a sandwich first. Alright, so this is what I have going on right now. So, as you guys can see, way more space in here. And I just love that there's a window. I probably don't even have to use my umbrella lights, so. I'm not sure if I'm going to paint this room white because I have a window now, so the lighting should be better than the old place. But yeah, that's what I got going on now. Guess I'll show you a little bit the rest of the house. This is the living room so far. Not done. I think I'm going to get a new coffee table, new carpet, way bigger one. We're going to hang the TV on the wall, and I think we're gonna get rid of this entertainment unit, get a different one, and
Straight up, homie.
probably just leave the little fireplace there. And my parents got us this dining room set. Well, it used to be theirs, and they got a new one, so they gave it to us. And it's really nice wood. Yeah, the kitchen still kind of messy, but
One day at a time.
they delivered the wrong stove. We're supposed to have a stainless steel stove, and they delivered the wrong one, so a new one. So the right one is coming on Wednesday. We have laundry upstairs, which we're really loving, eh, babe?
Oh, it's the bomb, bro.
It's really good because you can just pull things out, fold them here, and just take them right into their drawers. Before at our old place, we had to go all the way downstairs to do laundry, and I would never do it because
She was scared.